Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the versatile over-the-toilet storage cabinet, a 4-tier bathroom organizer that maximizes space without compromising style. This cleverly designed rack utilizes the often overlooked area above your toilet, offering ample storage with adjustable shelves to accommodate items of various heights, making it perfect for storing everything from towels to toiletries. Its sturdy construction features P2 particle board and a robust metal frame, enhanced by an X-shaped support and wall-fixing nails for added stability, ensuring your essentials stay safe and secure. With non-slip feet to protect your floors and a thoughtful design that includes a toilet paper holder and hairdryer slot, this unit is as functional as it is stylish. Whether placed in a bathroom, laundry room, or even a dormitory, its multifunctional design meets diverse storage needs, while the raised edges on each shelf prevent items from falling. Assembly is a breeze with the included detailed guide and tools, allowing you to set it up in just about 30 minutes. Transform your space with this practical and elegant storage solution, and enjoy a clutter-free environment that enhances both organization and accessibility. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.